Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Dito naman kami ngayon sa floating market dito sa Thailand. Ito po ngayon, kasama ko po ang aking may bahay at niyayaya ko na po siya. Kami sasakay dito sa floating market. And ito na po kami ngayon at libang na libang kami sa aming nakikita na pwede pala na meron palang ganito, samantalang pagkadami-dami nating dagat at mga river dito sa Pilipinas, hindi natin napapakinabangan. Ayan, at kami po relax ngayon. At ayan, mga nakakasalubong po namin ang mga turista rin. Kami naman po yung nagpapanggap lang ng mga turista. Ayan, at ayan, mga kapwa, mga Pilipino rin. Dito naman po kami ngayon sa floating market. At ang nakikita niyo po ay iba-ibang mga produkto dito sa Thailand. At aalokin po kayo dyan. Kanya lang po mga kapatid, ma-high blood po kayo sa taas ng mga presyo. Kaya wag na lang kayong bumili. Busugin nyo na lang ang inyong mga mata. Ayan, dito po kami ngayon. Huminto po kami. At kasama ko po sa likuran, kung makikita nyo, matandang pastor. Pastor Porto. At sa pastor, anong pangalan nga niya? Kalimutan ko na.
Cantos.
Pastor Cantos. Ayan. At yan, makikita po ninyo mga kapatid, ang floating market. Nag-i-enjoy po kayo rito, mamamangha po kayo. Nandito sa Thailand ay nagawa nila ito na isang lugar na parang walang kapaki-pakinabang, pero nagkaroon ng buhay, kaya nakakatuwa naman po. At tingnan niyo naman po kung gaano karami ang mga turista at nakasakay sa bangka. Ito po'y magagawa lang sa Pilipinas at maiiwasan ng korupsyon. Ay nako, baka mas maganda at mas maayos ang ating bansa. Ayan, at dito na po kami ngayon sa may dulo ng floating market. At ayan. Yan, at tapos na po ang aming paglalakbay. At kita niyo po, ang tanging nabili lang po namin ay ang mangga na bit namin. That is 100 baht.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can...
Buo nitong elepanteng ito. Ayan. At nainggit po si Pastor Cantos. Anong gustong agawan yung elepante. Ayan. Kain lang po ng kain. Ayan. Okay. Ayan naman po. Ang isa pang naiinggit dito sa elepante. Ayan po yung nakatawa na yan. Ayan. Hanggang dyan lang po kami. Wala na po kami ibang nagawa dyan. Pauwi na lang po kami. Sakto